I take 1 meter lining cloth. It's about 100 centimeter. Let's quickly check it now. It has 104 centimeter. Now I fold the fabric into half. Folded is my side and opposite side is open side. Here we are going to see 34-inch blouse. The blouse length would be 13 inches. I take 15 inches and leave 2 inches for double fold the fabric. From the top I leave half an inch for shoulder joining. From there to there I leave 5.5 inches. 2.5 inches is shoulder and the rest would be neck, which is 3 inches. From the neck I take 6 inches down for neck shape and 5 inches is armhole. Take down the chest measurement divided by 4, so 8.5 inches. Now I am going to shape the shoulders and neck part. I leave 2 inches for sewing allowance. You can leave more than that. I take 4 inches for back dot to connect half an inches each side. Now I am going to mark side measurements. From the shoulders I mark bust point 9 inches. From there I take 8 inches. On the end of the blouse I leave 7 inches. Now I'm going to connect all the dots. Leave 2 inches and shape the line. You can leave more than that for sewing purpose. Now the front part I'm going to draft by placing back part half an inch shoulder joining purpose. From there I am going to leave 6 inches for front neck and I am going to make box and shape it. From there I take 11 inches itself. It's enough because we are going to cut putty piece. To shape front sleeve, curve half an inch inwards. From the shoulder, again make sure the bust dot. Here in this case 9 inches and leave half an inches. From there I am going to leave 3.5 inches for the first dot and leave 1 inch each side to connect the dots, and 1.5 inches from the open side and 2 inches other side. Now connect the first dot and the second dot would be 4 inches. To connect each dot is quarter inches and the armhole dot same 4 inches less than quarter to connect the dot. Here the dots are over. Now I am going to cut, and sleeve part folded side is my side. From there the sleeve length would be 6.5 inches and sleeve width is 6.5 inches. From the open side I am going to mark 3 inches for sleeve cap. Put down the armhole and including sewing allowance I am going to mark 8 inches. Half an inch for sewing allowance from 7.5 inches from the open side. I have 8 inches. Take the midpoint 4 inches. From there, draw a curve. It is sleeve measurement. 6 is actual and half inch is sewing allowance. Let's join and double fold it. Cut the material. For the front sleeve, again we are going to cut half an inch inwards. You can see the difference, front and back part of your sleeve. Now all the parts are cut. It is traced by the main cloth and sewn within the half an inch gap. Now I am going to double fold the back part and sewing. Now back dot. The back dots are done. Now the front part, first dot going to start and second dot, then third one, armhole dot. Dots are completed now. Now you can see the two parts. From the hook part you have to mark 1 inch and I'm going to cut that 1 inch. You can always less the measurement from your hook part. For the hook putty I am leaving 3 inches length and 9 inches width, 10 inches width and 3 inches length for eyes part. The difference is 1 inches. Now I am going to pin it. You have to fold the dot and sew it. It will look like this, and end you have to double fold the fabric. Now I am going to join the shoulders. Now eyes and hook putty. For the hook putty I take 1 inches width and 7 inches length. For the eyes putty I take 1.5 inches width and 7 inches length. To the double fold the end. For the neckline I am going to measure the entire blouse it is around 36 inches. I'm going to take 38 inches for wire strips. If you have the rest of the cloth, you will take from that. For around 1.5 inches width, I cut the fabric and I'm going to join it. After sewing, you have to open the fabric and fold it nicely. You can iron it also. You have to sew from the half an inch gap. You have to leave about 1 inch from starting. When you come shoulders, you have to open and sew it, otherwise you will get bulge cloth when you wear it. Now I am going to fold the excess cloth inwards and sew it. Now the neckline is completely finished. Now the shoulders. For the shoulders, I am going to show the center part and mark the line. Now I am going to place it. Sew within the half an inch. Now I attach the sleeves. Now you have to measure your correct side and sleeve measurement and sew the blouse. It is simple and easy method. You will definitely get your perfect blouse by practicing this method. It is easy and understandable method. I hope this video is useful, and if you really like this video, like and do share. If you have any doubt, comment, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.